Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to create a QR code for a location using Google Maps. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started creating a QR code for a location, the very first thing you need to do is open the Google Maps QR code generator link I have added down in the description box. Once you're on the tool, you'll see a field called Google Maps link. Now open Google Maps and find the location you want to share. Next, tap or click the share button and copy the location link. Come back to the QR code generator and paste the Google Maps link into the Google Maps link field. Now scroll down to the Customize Design section. Here you can add custom text below the QR code, such as find us here, visit our location, or scan for directions. You can also customize the QR color and background color to match your business branding or personal preference. If you'd like to make the QR code look more professional, click on Choose Image under Add Logo. You can upload your business logo, store logo, or any custom image you'd like to display in the center of the QR code. Once you've finished customizing everything, click on the Generate Maps QR button. The tool will instantly create a live preview of your Google Maps QR code. You can then choose your preferred file format and select the size that best fits your needs. Finally, click on the Download QR button. Your location QR code will be downloaded directly to your device and ready to use on posters, brochures, websites, event invitations, product packaging, and much more.